Welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. Today we have warm-up routine done at the bar. We are going to begin with a pour the breath forward, breathe in and out. Next we are going to do a demi-plie. Before we start recovering up slowly, take your time. Open your arm, breathe, and pour the breath to the back. Slowly recover, and we are going to twist back. Try to keep your hips facing forward. Recover, releve. We are going to do continuous. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and continue 4 more. Releve and lower down. We are going to do demi-point, plie, press, arch, and stretch, and repeat the same with the other leg. Demi-point, plie, press, and stretch. And now when you are going to bring your right knee to your chest, you're going to lean back and feel the stretch of your hips. Opening up, warming up. You're going to open to your side. And again, keep feeling that stretch on your hips. We are going to rotate now outwards, and you're going to draw circles with your knee as you do that. We are going to change now and invert the movement, so inwards. Next, you're going to stretch your leg behind you, right leg in a lunge position. We are going to go to a table position by stretching both legs, and if you want to increase, you can lower your chest all the way to your front knee. Slowly recover up. Parallel position, both legs together. Demi-plie, releve, balance. And we are going to repeat everything to the other side. Wait for the music. Breathe in and pour the breath forward, breathing out. Demi-plie to increase that stretch before we recover slowly up. Look at your arm as you open and breathe one more time before doing pour the breath to the back. Slowly recover and twist back, hips facing forward, recover, releve, alternating, and 1. Don't forget to breathe. Look at your arm as it's moving. Next we have demi-point and pressing arch forward with plie, and stretch demi-point, and repeat everything with the other leg. Demi-point, and press, and stretch, and lower down. Bring your left knee to your chest, lean a little bit, slide it to the back. Open by your side, and we are going to draw circles with our knee, and it's going to be outwards. 1 and 2 and 3, and now we are going to invert the movement inwards this time. Stretch your leg behind you, feel the stretch on your calf. Table position, but stretching your front knee. Breathe, and if you want to increase that stretch, bring your chest all the way to your front knee. Slowly recovering up. Parallel position, both legs together. Releve, balance. Thank you very much for joining me in today's tutorial. Hope that you enjoy it. See you next time.